front of me is Realme C25s, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it through Bluetooth. First of all, go into settings. Now you need to select Bluetooth over here and click on the switcher to activate it. Now wait for available devices to show up, and within to just click on the one that you wish to connect to. In my case, Nokia. After that, you need to wait for this pop-up and select pair in it. Then wait for the other device to accept your connection request. And as you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you wish to disconnect them, you can always do that by clicking on this little icon next to the device and choosing unpair. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!